Have you ever heard that fragrance is not just something you wear, it's something you experience? Let's discover the fragrance layering trend together.
Quick question. Have you ever wanted a fragrance that smells like you but no one else has it? Let me tell you a little secret. Fragrance layering is how you can create a total unique scent without buying a custom perfume. When you layer two different fragrances, they mix with your skin chemistry and create an aroma that's one of a kind. And the magic isn't just of what you use, but how you layer it. Here's the tip. First, choose your first fragrance and spray it in your neck, behind your ears, and on your wrist. Now grab your second fragrance, spray it lightly on your hands and chest. This softens the scent and lets it blend beautifully as you move. The results? A scent that is layered, balanced, and completely your own. Now it's your turn.
All right, JAFRA Beauty. So today we are talking layering, pairing, and creating scent that feels custom, luxurious, and totally you. Just like the high-end fragrances houses do. So I hope that with this training, you can create a layering fragrance for your clients and help you when you sell fragrances to upsell a second one. So let's get started. Here's the secret luxurious brands don't always explain. One fragrance is perfect for daytime to create depth, longevity, and personality. But when you layer your fragrances, it lets you control the mood, whether it's fresh, warm, bold. You make the fragrance last longer and also smell unique, not generic. So are you ready to discover how to layer fragrances? Here are 3 tips for better layering results. Step number 1, start fresh. Choose fragrances that have citrus or green notes to wake up the scents. They create a fresh, bright base like a fresh canvas. Step number 2, we are going to add depth. Select fragrances that have woody, spicy, or ambery notes to bring warmth and richness. This is where the fragrances becomes memorable. And step number 3, keep it light. Let the scents blend together and just smell the results. Here are a few fragrance combos that I put together for men. But let me know in the comments if you have other suggestions that your clients might be trying already and how they are loving the results. When you talk to your clients, maybe they already own one of these fragrances. Why not recommend a second one to elevate their experience? With your expertise, you help them create a signature fragrance that lasts longer and feels more personal. My first idea is combining our JAFRA Legend Hypnotic with our Eau d'Arômes Home Magnetic. And this one is going to create that layering of confident and dynamic. Fresh herbal energy meets mineral woods. And the results is fresh, modern, and unforgettable. Or why not do the layering with our J-Sport and our exclusive EDT? This is more of a sporty, refined experience. Energizing and fresh with a warm, ambery finish, perfect for a date or a night occasion. And for those clients that are adventurous and spontaneous, why not recommend the layering of Navigo Home and Navigo Moon? The bright citrus layer with lather and woods to create that freedom in the fragrance, and it's just very citrus that is going to blend and it's just going to be a beautiful result. So I challenge you to combine two fragrances together. And last, my other recommendation is to use our limited time JF9 Red Intense EDP, combining it with our Jitsu Magnetic for a captivating and magnetic result. The bold spice, nutmeg, and woods are going to create an intense, powerful, and long-lasting scent. In feminine layering, we seek balance, softness with character. We begin with fresh, floral, or fruity fragrances that feel light, luminous, and effortlessly feminine on the skin. And what are going to be the results? A scent that evolves, elegant, confident, and truly unique. Because it's not about wearing more, it's about combining better. So I have some duos here, but JAFRA Beauty, I would like to know what is your choice when you layer your fragrances. First, we have our Rose Blossom EDP with the L'Amour EDP for a romantic glow layering experience. Soft rose and jasmine gain depth from woody notes for a romantic yet powerful scent. Or if you're looking for a fresh and radiant layering, go with our limited time Eau d'Arômes Vitality and layer it with our JAFRA Diamonds Union EDP. Is going to combine those fresh citrus green layer with soft florals and is going to create an effortless elegance and brightness. And maybe you never thought about combining these two, but why not? Let's give it a try. Sweet and playful. Our JAFRA Sweetie Rainbow with our pastel. Juicy sweetness meets airy florals for a playful, light, feel-good fragrance. And last, the other duo that I have put together for you and your clients, and I really hope that you guys love these ideas, is a vibrant and uplifting layering experience. We are going to layer our Flores de Mexico EDP, and our second fragrance is going to be the Vesen. Vibrant florals layered with earthy patchouli create a modern, feminine signature scent. Now let's talk couples, partners, or just vibes that belong together. I have the Navigo Moon, and for her, our Queen by JAFRA EDP. Is just going to create that spontaneous and gracious aroma, bold energy that means elegance is just perfectly balanced for our couples. Or why not the Legend Hypnotic with the JAFRA Reflections Radiance. It's confident and luminous, strong, radiant, and effortlessly captivating. And the last duo that I have for his and hers is exclusive EDT with our limited time Varsha EDP. Refined and captivating. Warm spice means exotic florals, powerful and sensual. So here's the takeaway, JAFRA Beauties. when you are sharing with your clients, whether it's in person or in social media, here are some ideas that you can use in your captions. This is great alone, but magic together. This can be your date scent or your night scent. One for you, one for your partner. Or why not layer for longevity? And to wrap it up, whether it's date or night, fresh or warm, his or hers, your fragrance should tell a story. So don't just wear fragrance. Layer it, pair it, and own it.